Welcome to the mirror cam tutorial, a short tutorial to see the usefulness of this mirror cam functionality. And here we are in the video. At this particular point, he's just said, "Are we ready?" And she is about to run. Now she's going to run over here, so you may need to look around or jump around or teleport when you're watching this volcap to see what's happening over here, what's happening here at the same time. And of course we're going to continually be turning our heads to be able to see the action as she runs over there. But with the mirror cam we can actually look in another place as if we could have eyes in the back of our head. So I'm just going to show that now, and here we see the timeline. We're currently at frame 141. He's about to say 1, 2, 3, go, and she'll start running. But let's just bring up the mirror cam, and if you look on your left controller, you'll see where he has the camera icon. We have a number of things with cameras. So we'll choose the mirror cam, and then you notice appears this screen where it seems if I move my head, it shows exactly what's precisely on the back of my head, pointing this way. Okay, so this is exactly what's on the back of my head if I had a camera there. And if I turn this around, you'll see it's tracking. Whatever is behind me is shown on this camera. That means we can have a look, for example, at this group here, and we can zoom in and out just by selecting the zoom icon. Let's say we want to get a shot about here. You have to get your head in the right position. Let's say about there, and then if you click the lock icon on the right, that is now locked to that, and we can move this wherever we want. And we're going to place it about here to zoom it a little out. And now if we play, we can't see this, but we're going to actually see what's happening here. As she runs over to here, we'll see what's happening back at the table. And this will play just as the video plays, as if we have a camera looking here. So now, if I play,
3, 2, 1, go.
She runs over here. If I pause it, she's gone behind the table here, but we can also look while she's behind the table at what they're doing at the table where she came from. This is a fixed position. We can also still zoom in and out if we wish. But if we unlock it, it will actually change the position of the camera. So you can see here, they're not doing much. She's looking down, she goes to touch, and she goes to touch the actual pieces they've got to assemble, while she is behind here. So it gives us a way to be able to look in other parts, and then we can move this around if we wish, wherever we want to view it. If we say, well, actually we want to look at the two women who are on the other table, then we're positioned here. If I unlock, then we can look at those, we can zoom in, we can lock, and now I can also play and see what they're doing. For example, while I'm looking at these two, she just knocked the microphone stand. They're waiting. So I'm actually watching what they're doing over there as she runs back. They just notice she's running back. So you can see the mirror cam is a useful tool for being able to get a fixed angle on some action that's happening, that's behind you, so you don't have to keep looking around to see what's happening. So that's the end of this tutorial, this volcap tutorial. If you want to try it yourself, just exit the tutorial and try the mirror cam yourself in the Lego demo data or your own data.